Katranat Food Civil Supply and Consumer Affairs ka jilla kala pentip baka jing penpoi yaki umpeng petrol diesel bat LPG cylinder migraya kamdon kanu ka jing kerdu ka state level coordinator ka migraya oil marketing company ka swati mudai habai kren ha ka apuknai tarik yayong aja funreu ka ong baka jilla migraya ka biang bat kamdon kanu ka jing kerdu petrol diesel ni tendong shet LPG syaki ba Kaswati ka pentiknaro baka jingbu stok yaki LPG bat kiwei kenjam peniang kalong ke babiang. Kidon lais pak live saw tuli petrol pom ha kajila miklaya brok kawei. Ha kabiyadai baka jing supply ki LPG silenda kaya tu bala penbiang syakilai lak nyopo hajar ngut kinong penun kam elsiat lembah ndup hulu tuli gidukan retailer ha kajila brok kawei. Hendai ke ba kenduk jing kedai tang syakathain pen usla nak daw ka jing kang lat ke bor mariang na ka jing tua ka surok ke bra bu jing i company ban penpoi yaki LPG syaki paj ba. Ha ka juk kapol kentu gina penun kam lel siat bagi dai ban kam lupa la ni book online kenang ban pentikna ban don ka jing singan bat ka jing khuj ha ka rukam sam. Ha ka bedai ber ka jing penpoi lel siat siklong yeng bayo irap na ka skim PMUY lani Pradhan Mantri Ujala Yojana Amiglaya ka koordinator Amiglaya Oil Marketing Company kaya tu baka jing penpoi ya gila elsiat kelong kumba siaja kena ispa saupu atli kilong yeng ha ka sisngi.
All the oil marketing companies for the state of Meghalaya. So this is a small press brief on supply situation of LPG and petroleum products in the state of Meghalaya. Here it goes. Today, the 29th of April 2026. The supply situation of domestic LPG cylinders and petroleum products is completely normal in the state of Meghalaya, and I, on behalf of all oil marketing companies, would like to assure you that we have adequate stock of both LPG and other petroleum products. The supply of all petroleum products, including petrol, diesel, and LPG, in the state of Meghalaya is fully normal and under control. Uninterrupted supply is being ensured through the state's robust infrastructure, continuous monitoring system, and effective coordination with state government officials. Currently, there are a total of 334 retail outlets in the state of Meghalaya, in which we have IOCL as a whole has 205 number of retail outlets, BPC has 43 numbers of retail outlets, HPCL has 72 numbers of retail outlets, and the private, which includes SR Oil, Shell, and Reliance, we have 14 numbers. At present, sufficient stock equivalent to 25 days of petrol and 46 days of diesel is available for the state. All OMC retail outlets are functioning normally and there are no restrictions on sales. Nozzle sales are in line with normal consumption levels of January to March 2026, indicating stable demand. Therefore, citizens are advised to avoid panic booking. Regarding LPG supply and services, it is being provided to approximately 3.7 lakh consumers through 66 distributors in the entire state. Currently, distributors have adequate stock of domestic LPG cylinders and no dry out have been reported. On average, 4,103 refills are delivered daily and a backlog of about 5 days is being cleared as per the scheduled booking list. Supply remains completely stable. Promoting digitization in LPG services, 83% of our bookings are now being made through digital means, compared to just 68% in the last 2 months. Delivery Authentication Code or DAC compliance has been ensured in 67% of cases, up from 36% 2 months ago. Consumers are requested to use digital booking methods and share the DAC at the time of delivery to ensure safe and transparent operations and distributions. The number of PMUY, that is Pradhan Mantri Ujwala Yojana beneficiaries, daily refills in Meghalaya is approximately 1,942 numbers in March 2026 vis-a-vis 4,796 this is IOCL record, during Feb 2026. To support low consumption household, migrant laborers, students, etc., 5 kg FTL LPG cylinders are being made available in March 2026. As on yesterday's record, we have sold around 4,972 numbers of 5 kg FTL cylinders. However, since 1/4/2026, we have approximately completed 92% of our monthly quota of 5,000 FTL cylinders as given by Government of Meghalaya. In accordance with the guidelines of the Government of India, commercial LPG allocation is currently maintained at 70%, in which 60% is for all the sectors and 10% goes for the PNG installations, which is currently not available in Meghalaya. Priority is being given to hospitals, educational institutions, defense, railways, government establishments, hotel restaurants, industrial canteens, and food processing units. Daily monitoring is being conducted to ensure smooth distribution. Significant progress has also been made in the PNG sector, and our Indraprastha gas grid IGGL is already doing its work. Network expansion is being accelerated through fast-track approvals, pipeline installation, clearances, and coordination with local authorities and state government. This will reduce dependence on LPG cylinders in urban areas for the future. Further, EV charging facility has also been made available at all our ROs across the state. Almost all of the ROs, still the work is in continuation. Daily coordination meetings are being held between the state government, the civil supplies department, and oil marketing companies. District level monitoring committees are active, and stock reports are submitted to the state control room on day-to-day basis. To curb hoarding and illegal diversion, OMC officials in association with officials from the state government of Meghalaya has conducted around 319 inspections since last month. Action has also been initiated against OMC LPG distributors, few of them, for not adhering to standard operating procedure, including digital protocol of booking and delivery acknowledgement confirmation, that is DAC. So far, from our side, we have issued show cause notices to 3 OMC LPG distributors. All OMCs are taking strict action under Essential Commodities Act of 1955. We want to clearly state that adequate stock of petrol, diesel, and LPG is available in the state, and supply chain is functioning normally. Citizens are requested not to pay attention to rumors, avoid panic buying, and refrain from spreading misleading information. The Government of Meghalaya and the oil marketing companies in the state assure all the citizens that the supply situation of petroleum products is fully stable and under control, and uninterrupted supply to the public is being ensured. Thank you.